Sometimes we forget our roots and take the modern way of living for granted. Unlimited food, easy transport, a roof over your head, hot shower. Day by day we become accustomed to comfort. Our survival instincts lie dormant, waiting to awake again. This is a place to reconnect, to remember. A place where you find peace, friendship, yourself. This is the Italian Alps, a UNESCO World Heritage place called the Dolomites. And I'm in a 13-day hike expedition that will cross the Dolomites from north to south. Let's do this! Feeling good? Go, Lenny! Woo! This is the Alta Via 2 route, and in the first days, everything was perfect. So cute! Look at you! That's why we hike so much. Look at this place! Woo! We were hiking an average of 5 to 6 hours every day. After 4 hours and a half going uphill, you can think you're fit, you can think you have practiced enough at the gym. Nothing prepares you for that. Nothing. But something was wrong. Bit by bit, my body was falling apart. I'm really tired. I mean, this is not good. I'm way more tired than I should be.
There is urgency to find a man who vanished after heading out on a hike in Tuolumne County.
We're learning more tonight about what may have happened to a missing local man.
When your body gets exhausted, that's when things start going wrong. That's when accidents happen. You're tired, your muscles don't respond anymore, and you're not thinking straight. But you are in the middle of nowhere. There's no way back. Giving up is not an option. And that's the biggest danger of a multi-day hike expedition. That's the biggest fear of every hiker, to get hurt in the middle of nowhere with no help. And I thought I was ready for it, but usually I don't feel that tired. I'm feeling really tired. That's why you have to train at the gym, going up and down the stairs. Look at the size of this blister. Jesus! You feel exhausted. Every step hurts. You feel the blisters on your foot. The 10-kilo weight on your bag feels like 50. And after 5 hours hiking, you realize that you are lost. It's in the middle of a rock. If you go back there, you're gonna see like a Via Ferrata starting. Now is the moment of the truth. I've been looking at this spot here for 2 hours, way down there, and I've been looking at this and thinking, that's the top, that's it. I'm now going downhill, so my knees don't have any strength kind of to hold my body anymore. I've been hiking already for 6 and 7 hours. 6 hours and a half, sorry. I can't even think. You're back on the trail, but you are far from the end, so you keep pushing. And when you are on that state, on the verge of collapse, it's very difficult to appreciate the beauty around you. I feel I've had enough. And after 8 hours and a half hiking, I finally arrive. I catch myself looking outside. The friends you've made along the hike start arriving.
Hello.
How was it?
I've been here for hours.
Yeah, of course you were. Yee! You're the winner. He doesn't look like he's happy with it. He's like, oh, no. Yeah, am I the winner really? We shared the adventures we had that day.
So I went out here. I was alone completely, and it was so amazing. It's like
I thought it was a serious accident. There was an accident. Someone stole my slippers.
woke up in the morning.
I found my place, where I belong, my tribe. Hiking reminds me who I really am, a call back to my roots. It wakes up that dormant part of me that is thirsty for adventures. And now I should rest, because tomorrow I will do all over again.